Alright guys, welcome back to another one. We're going to be out here at Racecars Unlimited doing an open house forum today. This one's going to be really good. We have a lot of BMWs, we're going to have a lot of race prep cars, some really good street prep cars from what I see. I'm going to head in, I'll show you guys what they got going on today, and let's go have some fun. Alright. All right guys, welcome back. I'm gonna walk you through, I'm gonna show you what's out here today. As you guys know, I really enjoy these types of meets. This is a shop holding basically an open house. They're almost fully done with their construction and everything. You can see the cars are moved in, but these are the kind of, you know, get-togethers I like, a bunch of like-minded people. You know, everybody's here that really is into the exact same thing. And it's a kind of a condensed group of cars. So, you know, there's probably 30 cars or so total that have come out today, but I'll run through. I'm gonna show you guys what's still here. I'm gonna highlight a couple. You got a GT3 RS in the background, a Carrera. Those are both crazy. You got a couple Supras over here. Let me show you. So you got a big single on this one. You know, you can tell they're both drag setups. They got the, you know, the one I think has welds on it, but they both definitely have drag tires on the back and everything. Got a nice little 8.6. Got a couple clean, really clean M3s. I love the wing. This is I don't know, like the factory option setup. That's just, I love the way that looks. So let me show you little F chassis on some red TEs. This is cool. So just because it has 4 doors doesn't mean it's not fun. He's got a little half cage on it, running some Toyo R1Rs. So you know he's having fun. It's probably a really good canyon car, you know, and every now and then track car if you just want to take it out. But it's honestly really clean. It's not all banged up or anything, so the owner definitely takes care of that. It's been working on that as a project. Got some white TEs. We'll just make it a TE day, I guess. I don't know. I think it's always a TE day anymore. Lexus on TEs. Let's see what else we got coming in. It's cool, we got a little S2000 that's all race prepped over here. We've talked with this owner a couple times. It's some S2000 meats. It's got the Tashi wrap on it. Full prep. Definitely sees a lot of track time with it. On Titans, spoon brakes. I mean, you guys know how I feel about the S, so I definitely like that one. Got a wide body setup on this. The lower fenders. Cadillac's pretty cool, so it's definitely not all for decoration because he's got a sub 2 sticker on the back. AP Racing. It's got OMP seats in it. That seat sits really low. I like how the gauge is set up. Found a little incorporated vent gauge. APR rear wing. And there you see it right there. He's definitely quick. Sub 2 a button. So definitely gets driven. This would be fun to see on the track. At first, I guarantee you'd underestimate it, and then he'd catch you in every corner, and you'd be like, "Ah, crap, I'm in trouble." Got a nice little Street Prep 86 here. Let's see what else we got. Bunch of BMWs. Looks like the shop, of course, specializes in BMWs. You've got here. You got some sponsors here: JMP Auto Works, Motorsport Hardware, and then Racecars Unlimited. So I don't know what it is about the tone on tone that I like so much on this, but silver on silver, or we've seen the chrome TEs on silver. They look really good. Nice little 5.0. That's what I like about today's meet. It's got a good mix of, you know, street and track cars. Got a Gallardo, you got a little Lotus Elise down there. Let me show you guys what's inside. Take a little quick walk through. So you got the Global Time Attack, Motorsport's hardware car. This one's all business. I mean, this is a no joke, like hardcore race car. On TEs, AO52s, and nothing but business inside. You can tell the real race cars because they're dirty, but dirty in a good way. Let's see if I can get you guys, get a little crowd in here, but I'll show you some of the other stuff they're working on. It's got MCSs on it. You see they had to clearance the rear firewall a little bit.
It doesn't even have the dash anymore.
Recaro Halo, excuse me guys. It's got the heads-up display, everything else is gutted out. That's cool. And then for the back of the shop, we got some more fun. You see they got an alignment rack here. They got a couple cars and all different areas of tear down. The M3 they got up here on quick jacks is fully gutted. The dash is out. Interior's full gut. They have little kitty's gonna get away. He was trying to make a break for it. We caught him.
Come on, dear.
So you got no full race prep. You can tell he's got his classification that he runs in, the ST3 class, AP brakes. This is really nice. And then they got their M3 up on the alignment rack over here. Nice full diffuser on the back. You know, everything here will be functional. I really like how wide this sits. Get the extra bumps everywhere. Fenders sit way out. But he's not, I'm sure it's class specific because he could definitely fit a lot more tire in there. But it looks like he's probably restricted to a specific size. So you got 245s up front. Let's see if he's squared. Yeah, so 245s. So he's squared, which is kind of funny because the S2000, you run 255 squared. So the S2000 actually runs a wider tire setup. I always ran the 255 squared. I ran AO52s. So, but this one definitely makes a lot more power. Has a lot more low end grunt than the S2000. It'd be fun to drive. See what kind of differences. See how it feels. So, let me run you guys back outside. So, like I was saying, I really enjoy these types of meets. We've had a handful of cars roll in and out. People hang out for a little bit. Everybody's talking. You know, a lot of track talk. A lot of, you know, hey, what are you going to do here? What kind of build are you doing on this? You know, what next set of parts are you running? Which, you know, in some cases is actually really valuable because, you know, you just don't get that information, you know, typically just reading it on the internet. You know, it really makes a difference to be able to talk to somebody or to be able to be at the track and go out with them and, you know, feel the difference. So that's one of the reasons I like every time I go out to the track now, I try and find somebody that's parked near me or somebody that I'm talking with and be like, hey, yeah, jump in with me, jump in the passenger seat. Let's do a couple laps. Let me show you my line. Let me see what your line is, you know, and you do that whole thing. So really makes a difference. Well, that's kind of it for today. Like I said, I had a lot of fun. There's a lot of good cars out here. There's a lot of good people I've been talking with. So you guys let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out to the end. I'm going to get going. I'm going to head over to the next one, and I'll see you guys there. If you're new to my channel, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all your support. If you like what I do, check out my other videos. If you like them, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, and this is what I do. Post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's always fun stuff. So I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks.